I haven't got the foggiest of clues how to start a video, so I guess I'll just do it like this. I'm Stick and Mix. I used to make videos about 4 years ago, and I kind of gave up. I'm not sure why, to be honest. I guess college and coursework and all that, and animal management. But I'm back now. Finished my degree. Passed by the skin of my teeth, but I passed, so you know, win-win. I went to work for a kennel. Found out that working for animals isn't really what I wanted to do. It's more looking after them as pets that I enjoy, rather than looking after little types like him. Exactly, yeah. He's a weird dog. So yeah, I'll be making videos on tarantulas, ants, millipedes, cockroach colony, all sorts of inverts really. I'm looking to get a scorpion, just general inverts and stuff. Sorry if I'm awkward, I've never filmed myself, so this is very weird and strange for me. But hopefully I can get this editing malarkey done, figure out how to actually make good, half decent videos. Yeah, you agree, definitely. You're a strange one. And yeah, basically just enjoy my inverts with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it too. And yeah, we'll just go from there really. I forgot to mention also, I received a parcel yesterday with some surprise things inside. I won't tell you yet, I'll just put it in the video after this. But I had a surprise in the mail as well, so that was also good. Again, I'm new to all of this, so pardon my terrible video quality and awkwardness when I'm packing the videos. I'm packing the tarantulas. It's already started. Okay, so I guess it'll go to the unpacking now. Time for some unboxing. So I ordered yesterday 2 tarantulas, one being a pumpkin patch and the other one being a green bottle blue. I've always wanted both of these types of species. And now that I'm getting back into the hobby, I thought I might as well get some. This is from the Spider Shop. Most of you are probably familiar with that one. Very nicely packaged. Green bottle blue. And the pumpkin patch. I'll put the Latin names on the screen. There's something in there. Okay, right, we'll start with the pumpkin patch. It's tiny. If you can see in there. That's really difficult for the camera to see. I'll do some close-up shots after. It's live and well there, that's good. And the green bottle blue. Larger than the other one. Again, I'll do some close-up shots after, but she is also, she also still good. So they're my two tarantulas, and then this is actually what I got in a competition from one of my Facebook groups that I'm in, about ant keeping. It's good fun. If you've never kept ants before, I highly recommend it because they are very interesting and you can learn a lot from them. So where is it? So the competition was actually hosted on my birthday, and it was out of one or 10 letters, and I chose the 4th, seeing as that was my birthday date. It turned out I didn't win, but very kindly the young lad that did win, Rio King, he donated the prize to me because it was my birthday. So it was very nice of him. So thank you very much. Thank you. So very well packaged again. Ah, turns out I've got a surprise. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, so the ghost ants. One has died in transit, there as you can see. The other one is live. It's going to need a new test tube, I think. Better than being both dead. And from the looks of it, a Mesobarbarus, which is a harvester ant, or seed-eating ant, as many people know. So that's cool as well. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you. And that's everything. Awesome. So yeah, that was my awkward as hell unboxing video. Sorry. But as promised, close-ups are next, and they have the letter names with them, so enjoy. And yeah, that was the close-ups. Very nice, very nice. I do like them, especially that little green ball blue, beautiful. So yeah, that's my video for today, or my first video, my comeback video. And I guess like, subscribe, follow, share, whatever you do. And I promise I will make better videos. So it's goodbye from me. Goodbye from Alfie. Oh, Alf. Google boy. Yeah. We'll see you soon. Ready to go home? Yeah, come on in. Let's go.